The Amazon Fire Max 11 is Amazon's most advanced tablet, offering a solid balance of price and functionality. Here's a detailed look at its features. Design and display. The Fire Max 11 features an 11-inch display with a resolution of 2000x 1200 pixels, providing sharp and vibrant visuals. The tablet's build quality is a step up from previous models, thanks to its aluminum chassis, which gives it a more premium feel while remaining lightweight at 490G. Performance. Powered by the MediaTek MTK 8188J octa-core processor and 4GB of RAM, the Fire Max 11 delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or using productivity apps, it handles most tasks efficiently. However, it's important to note that the Amazon App Store lacks some popular apps found on the Google Play Store, limiting your app choices. Stylus and accessories. The bundle includes the Stylus pen, which supports the USI 2.0 standard, making it ideal for note-taking, sketching, and more. The Stylus works well with minimal input lag, though it's not quite on par with high-end alternatives like the Apple Pencil. The tablet can also be paired with a keyboard case, transforming it into a mini laptop for productivity on the go. However, if you heavily rely on Google services, this tablet might not meet all your needs. Battery life and connectivity. One of the Fire Max 11's strengths is its impressive battery life, offering up to 14 hours of usage on a single charge. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity. For video calls, the 8MP front and rear cameras deliver decent quality, though they lack a flash. Downsides. While the tablet is a strong contender in its price range, it has a few limitations. The absence of Google Play Store means you're restricted to apps available on Amazon's platform. Additionally, some users may find the presence of lock-screen ads annoying, though an ad-free version is available at a slightly higher price. Verdict. Overall, the Fire Max 11 is a well-rounded tablet, especially for those invested in the Amazon ecosystem. It's great for entertainment and light productivity, but the lack of Google services and certain multitasking features might be a deal-breaker for some. Android Central, good e-reader. User experience and interface. The Fire Max 11 comes with Amazon's Fire OS, which is a modified version of Android. This operating system is designed with Amazon services in mind, offering easy access to Kindle, Audible, Prime Video, and Alexa. While this makes it a great device for those immersed in the Amazon ecosystem, the lack of Google Play Store may limit your app choices, particularly if you rely on Google Apps. The interface is intuitive, and Amazon has added several productivity features, such as split screen mode. This allows you to multitask by running two apps side by side, although it's a basic implementation compared to what you might find on more premium tablets. Build quality and accessories. The aluminum body of the Fire Max 11 not only enhances its durability, but also gives it a premium feel compared to previous plastic models. The tablet also supports a wide range of accessories, such as the keyboard case and the Stylus pen. The keyboard is comfortable to use for typing, and the trackpad is surprisingly responsive for a tablet accessory. The Stylus pen, while not as advanced as those found in higher-end devices, offers good accuracy and minimal lag, making it suitable for note-taking and casual drawing. Android Central. Cameras and multimedia. Both the front and rear cameras are 8MP, a noticeable improvement over previous models. The camera quality is sufficient for video calls and casual photography, but it might not be the best option for users who prioritize high-quality photography on their tablet. The dual speakers with Dolby Atmos provide good sound quality for media consumption, making this tablet a solid choice for streaming movies and shows. Good e-reader.